welcome again to my kitchen. So today we'll be making that controversial and trending Japanese souffle pancake. So I've been wanting to do this for quite some time, but I think I was very afraid to do then. So let's see. This is my first time to try it, and if you see it in my videos, then it would have been a success. Okay, so I'm using this DIY. I don't have those rings, and I've been searching and watch a lot of videos in YouTube, and I think the best way to form that pancake is to use a mold. But since I don't have that mold, this is a DIY. Joking. Okay. So let's start. You have to separate the eggs, egg white and egg yolk. Be sure that there's no egg yolk in your whites, okay? Okay, so let's set this aside. Now for the egg yolk, we'll add milk. I'll include all my ingredients in my description box, okay? And then our vanilla. Oops. Okay, so you want to sift your flour. I'm only using the all-purpose flour, okay, and baking powder. Okay, so let's mix this. Just be sure that the flour is mixed thoroughly with the egg yolk. Oops. Okay. So let's set this aside. Now we go to our egg white. Okay, so let's start beating our egg whites. Once you see the egg whites doubled, you can add your lemon juice. If you don't have lemon juice, you can add vinegar instead, or cream of tartar. I just don't have the cream of tartar, so I added the lemon juice. Okay, at this point you can add your sugar 3 times. Okay, you don't put it all at once. Okay, so you see those peaks. Okay, so our meringue is done. Now what we want to do is incorporate this. Okay, I just take 1/3 of the meringue and mix it with your egg yolk butter. Okay, once it's incorporated well, we can now add it to our meringue. Okay. So you just want to fold this because you don't want to deflate the air from the meringue, okay? This is the key secret for that fluffy pancake. Okay, once you see the two are mixed together well, then we can start with our cooking. So let's just put some oil and brush it. Put our molds, our DIY molds. Be sure your heat is on low, okay? just fix it. Okay, before you cover it, just put some drops of water. And cover it and cook it for around 4 to 5 minutes. Okay. Okay, it's been 5 minutes. So let's just check. Try to, oops. Yes. I messed it up with the other one. Okay. Okay, so it's been 5 minutes. And I think our pancakes are ready. Okay, let's just garnish our pancake. This is powdered sugar. We'll add some butter. Let's add some strawberry jam. And last but not the least, our pancake syrup. There you have it. Okay, so thank you guys for watching another video from my kitchen, and I hope you're gonna try this souffle pancake. Okay, thank you and God bless everyone. Please don't forget to subscribe and share this with your loved ones and friends. Okay, thank you.